Okay, sagutin natin ito. The area enclosed by the ellipse x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 is equal to 1 is revolved around the axis. So, axis of revolution natin, x is equal to 3. Find V. Find the volume generated. Okay? Ang una natin gagawin dyan is determine natin yung A at saka B. Yung A is square root ng denominator ng x, tapos yung B square root ng denominator ng y. Okay? Therefore, A is equal to square root of 9, A is equal to 3. B is equal to square root of 4, B is equal to 2. According sa Pappus theorem, okay, ang volume is 2 pi RA, which is yung A is the area ng ellipse. Tapos R is the distance from centroid. Okay, graph natin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ganito magiging itsura ng ellipse natin. Tapos nandito yung axis of revolution. Di na natin gagamitin yung strip kasi mayroong mas madaling paraan dyan. Okay? Hanapin mo natin area. Ang area ng ellipse with two axes, which is the major arc and the semi arc, is 2 pi AB. Nakuha na natin yung A tsaka B. Therefore, 2 pi multiplied by 3 times 2. So, A is equal to 6. Ay, hindi pala 2 pi. Pi lang, pi AB. 6 pi. Okay? Kuha natin area. Yung R naman is distance. Okay? Yung distance niya from the centroid is 0, 0. Okay? Sabihin, 3 minus 0. R is equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. And then, after nyan, makuha na natin volume niya. 2 pi times 3 times 6 pi. Okay? 2 pi. 2 pi times 3 times 6 pi. 355.31 cubic units. Letter A.